What's going on, everyone? This week we're talking about zero down home loans. That's right, no money down. They really exist, what's the catch, and how to qualify right now. Welcome back, everyone. I'm Rick Harrison with MVP Realty, and on this channel I teach you everything you need to know about living, buying, and selling in Fort Myers, Florida. So if you'd like to learn more about what it's like to live, work, eat, and play in one of the Gulf Coast's favorite cities, the good, the bad, and the crazy, this is the channel for you. So make sure to subscribe and click the bell to get notified every week when a new video posts. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I love reading them all, good, bad, or indifferent. All right, so let's talk about no money down loans. Do they actually exist, or is this just some cheap marketing trick that'll get you roped in? So no money down loans or zero down loans do in fact exist, but there are only two reputable programs. Before I get into those a little more, let's first break down what zero down actually means. While it sounds like you need no money to buy a home, that's not exactly the case. These loans are backed by the federal government, meaning they're the ones on the line, but when they say down, they're referring to the loan's down payment. You will still need to have some money to pay the loan program fees for things like the mortgage origination costs and other closing costs. So while you won't have to put money down for the mortgage, which is usually a minimum of 3 or 3.5%, you'll still need to cover the closing costs, which could be up to 3 to 6%, depending on fees and points in the program. So what are the two programs? The USDA loan, which can be a construction loan or for resale property, is one of the zero down loan programs. And while this is a little less exclusive to who can use it, it is more exclusive to where it can be used. The USDA program was established to encourage development in rural and suburban areas, so you'll need to check the USDA map of eligible areas to see which properties actually qualify. At the bare minimum, the property must fall into one of the USDA areas, be a single-family home used as your primary residence, and cannot be a working farm. You'll also need to qualify financially. Your combined household income cannot be more than 115% of the median income that the property is within. Your debt to income ratio shouldn't be higher than 45%, and you'll need a FICO score of at least 640. The VA loan is the second loan program and is backed by the Department of Veteran Affairs, but as this one suggests, you must have an affiliation to the armed services. Another unique benefit of this loan is that instead of having mortgage insurance, also known as PMI, added onto your mortgage, you can choose to pay a VA funding fee for 2.3% the first time or 3.6% each subsequent loan. A few of the eligibility requirements include that you served 90 consecutive days of active service during wartime, 181 days during peacetime, 6 years National Guard, been discharged by reason of service-connected disability, or be the spouse of a service member who died in the line of duty or from a service-related disability. You'll also need a credit score of at least 580. Other than these two, other loan programs offer low down payments, and depending on the lender, from 3% conventional, Home Possible loan from Freddie Mac, or an FHA loan, which is not just for first-time home buyers anymore. So this gives you a better idea about what is meant when you hear no money down or zero money down home loans. But what if you need to clean up your credit first? That's coming up next, so stay tuned as I discuss with a credit repair specialist how you can take steps to start improving your score and how long it will take to fix. That's it for today, folks. I hope you learned something from today's video, and if you did, please hit that like and show me some love in the comments. It's what keeps me going and dropping my knowledge, knowing y'all are turning in and taking something away from it every week. And if you want more raw and honest info like this, just subscribe and click that bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.